Hello, it's Quan again. I'm in the process of using my tools here. And I set tools Merc gives you here. We've drained the oil out of the compressor. Now we're doing an autopsy to find out what happened to this compressor. Right here, it's got really hot. As you can see, the pistons are really hot. So we're thinking this has a ring issue where the blow-by problem, because it blew the head gasket, which is right here. As you can see, it blew the head gasket. This is the second head gasket, by the way. And also it's cracked. I don't know if you can see that. It's a crack right here on the valve plate. You see that crack? It's a crack there. So it got really hot. So we're trying to see what happened. We're tearing it down. We got it on a winch here. This is the shop, metal shop. One day I'll have one like this. So we'll get back with you. And thanks for tuning in. Bye.